Yeah, good morning.
I say one more time.
Good
But
morning, all of you. Yeah, kindly you have to turn on your camera, please. Everyone,
good
Tana,
morning, ma'am.
Zenobia. Yeah, good morning. Devdattan, Amna. Devdattan, Tana, Zenobia.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What happened yesterday, Zenobia?
She informed yesterday. There
Yes.
was no internet.
Okay. Yeah, she informed that. Devdattan, Tanas, Amna, turn on your cam.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Devdattan, Devdattan, on your camera. Yes. So who is gonna be to present today's thought for the day? I think yesterday as ma'am assigned you the thought for the day, news reading, GK and everything. So as thought for the day,
Ma'am, there was
hmm?
a
Devatan, are you there?
cat. Yes, yesterday said I will not be the thought of the day.
You will be the thought for the day.
But
Zia,
Mama said you have to be. But
Devatan, are you there?
No, Devdattan supposed to be tomorrow presenting thought of the day. Today I think it's Ilham.
Ilham.
Ilham didn't join. And
Yes.
who was the news? I forgot. Let me
Who
check
was
and
the
see.
news? Okay. Who was the news reading?
I think it's Hawa. I have seen
Hawa.
Hawa person news.
Someone need to join.
Hava is not here.
Hawa and Ilham is no, are not.
Okay. So Hawa is not here. Ilham, Ramin, Hawa.
Ma'am,
Ramin.
can you see me?
No, Tanas, Hawa.
Maybe my network issue.
Ryan. Okay, Ryan. Okay, so message in the WhatsApp.
Ma'am,
Okay.
so what about Ilham?
Anyone ready to present thought for the date for today? Because they didn't join yet.
Yes, ma'am. Can I do it?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna say that, but no problem.
So I think Zenobia, she is ready to present thought for the day. Thank you, Zenobia.
You
Yes,
can
please.
also put it in the WhatsApp and you can proceed like that. Or first of all, prepare the slide. One small
Yeah, you continue, dear.
one small positive thought in the morning can change your entire day.
So good. Thank you, Zainubia. So I
Welcome,
appreciate
ma'am.
your effort. So, Ramin, are you there? So, so I think Ramin joined. So you have to join on the correct time, dear Ramin. It's assembly time. You are 5 minutes late.
Okay.
Everyone need to join on the correct time. Be on time, everyone. Okay. Hawa, you also late. Why you're late today is Hawa? Hawa. So who asked the news
I
for the day?
woke up late.
News reading? Hawa, you are 6 minutes late. What happened, Hawa?
I woke up late today.
Don't repeat this again, Hawa. Yes. Ilham, you also late. If you want the attendance of the assembly, you have to join on the correct day. You have to join on the correct assembly time. Otherwise, you will never get the attendance of the assembly. Okay. Yes. Anyone ready to say the news reading? I
This is
think,
a thought of the day.
yeah, thought of the day. I think Zenobia presented the thought of the day. So one thing I want to share with you is, we will have one assembly, monthly assembly on coming Friday. So for that assembly, we are planning to collect some pictures from yourself, a selfie with your moms. I think already we discussed before this. So you have to send your one photo, selfie photo with your mom, selfie with your mother. If you have this kind of photo, you can send us. Okay, then we will showcase you other photo during the assembly time. Okay, so please,
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, in craft class, ma'am said you need to do you need to say you need to show the uh,
yeah, card
happy
also,
Mother's Day card.
card also, yeah. And we need the photo of this also, selfie with your mom. So if you have this kind of photo, you can send. Otherwise, you can take and send to us also.
Can I put
Okay.
it in the classroom? This
No
room?
need to put it in a classroom. I think now
I forgot.
you
I will.
can mail to us.
I will.
Ma'am,
I
I
think
will.
you can.
ma'am, who is want to show?
Raman,
Ma'am, who is want to show the photo?
yeah, you have to take one selfie with your mom. That is the title
Yeah.
of this, the selfie with your mother. So you have to take one
Student,
selfie with your
Dear
mother.
Remin, this coming
yeah,
Friday we have a monthly assembly. In that,
okay.
it is based on Mother's Day, basically. So we will present your photos, your students' photo with their moms. So that's why we asking you to send the
Send a
photos with
photo.
your mom if you're comfortable. Okay,
Okay.
if you're comfortable.
I said
Ma'am,
teacher.
If you want to
Uh,
good morning,
showcase
ma'am.
your photo, your parents'
uh,
photo, you can send
Ma'am,
us. Okay.
Dear
good
Alamam,
morning, ma'am.
where they can send it? How they can
Come.
send it? Please tell.
I
How
I
they can
tell
send the
good
photo?
morning, ma'am.
I think
Ma'am, good
you
morning,
can
ma'am.
send through
Good
the mail,
morning.
yes.
Ma'am,
Good,
Good morning.
good morning, Rafi ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Abhilasha. Sorry, ma'am. Yeah,
It's
you
okay,
can.
ma'am. You continue.
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
I can also put which it already taken, right? Which me and my mother.
You can also take.
Oh. On Friday, right? Where should we send the photo?
Ma'am, we need
Yes.
to send it to you.
Yeah, I send my mail ID through the chat box. Could you please take that when I pin that miss my mail ID? You got it, yes?
Send
Kindly
the
save this mail
copies.
ID and you can send the photo through this mail ID. Okay.
Okay,
You
please
can email
send
it.
this as soon as possible, today or tomorrow itself. Only then we can make that presentation. Okay,
Presentation. Otherwise,
Okay,
we will
ma'am.
never add you the photo. Okay.
today or
Ma'am,
tomorrow
they are
maximum.
saying select an app to open this mailing.
Ma'am, but I can't press it. It's like just a text. It's not like a link.
Okay, let me check.
Dear, that's not a link. That is a email ID.
Email
You can
ID.
type that ID into your Gmail, so you will get it, and you can send it to that mail ID. Your phone.
Amne, we need to take it like our group.
Okay, yes, your ma'am is here. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.